As I said in intro video, I want to improve my communication through explanation. Like I want to post videos on lead code, how I am. I want to explain the problems. I want to explain the concepts. With that, I will improve my communication, uh, which will help me to get my first job as a software engineer in a good product-based company with high package. Okay. Now, for that, I'm going to explain and going to solve the two sum problem. It's a easy problem in lead code, and this is the first problem in lead code. Okay. So I want to explain the question. Okay. Given an array of integers nums and an integers target, return the integers of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay. The input is one array named nums and second is an integer named target. In that array, in that array, there are two elements which will add up to the target, and we have to find those indexes and return as a array. Okay, two elements array. Let's do it. 1 minute. My internet is very slow. I don't know why. Okay, got that. This is the last time I solved this. Let's erase it. Okay, for that I'm going to um, create one map. With that, I will iterate the all elements in the array, and I will subtract from the target, and I will store that in that map, so that if I if that map contains any difference variable, different key, I will I will return the current index and the index which I stored earlier in that different variable in the map. Okay. Now I am going. I know this. I am explanation skill is very weird, but I will improve. Okay. If you are seeing this video as learning DSA, it's not for you guys. It's just it's just the video to improve my English, like that. Okay. If you want to learn DSA in optimized method, you have to check out. Um, there is so many of channels which will give you real value in teaching. Okay, one is take you forward. The second one is destination fan. It's a good. He's a good man. You can check it out. Destination fan to learn DSA, and you can check out also take you forward. Okay, now come into this problem. Sometimes I will type my name if I don't have any thought in my head. Okay, if I am in stress or in my I am in pressure, I will just type my name as Dhanush. This is how I will end up my stress levels. Okay. Now come to this. I create a map. Now I am going to iterate over the nums dot length. It will return our length of the array. Now I am going to create different difference of the target according to the target nums height. Okay, I'm going to check if map map is contains key, contains key. as different. If that's true, I will return return a return a array which will have two indices. One is current index, because with that nums we are taking difference. So so the current index is one of the position where the one element is stored. Okay, so we are going to um, store that value, okay, in the first position. The second is we have to get map. We have to get the difference value, because I am if not I will store that into map as a new element. This is the most important part, because we are storing the elements as a key, and indexes as a value. For that we are using this, and for that we are getting the value from that. Okay, now we can just return null, because for for this line mm, I want to explain this more. Why we are returning null? Because array is the object. Okay, in in array in array data structure, in heap memory and stack memory. Okay, don't I'm not going very deeply, because I don't know how to explain that kind of things. I'm just I'm now I want to just focus on this particular thing. So let's let's run it. Yeah, good. Three test cases pass. I'm going to submit this. Yeah, man, good to go. 98.94 percentage. Good, good. Okay, I'm going to end up this video. Have a nice day.